it's Shannon, and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. We have had such an amazing Christmas and holiday season this year. I want to thank you all for joining us, and we as a family just wanted to take a second and say thank you and Merry Christmas. We do have our Christmas special this year over on my other channel, The Cozy Christmas Cottage. So after you're done watching this video, please hop over to that channel. I will link it down in the description box. You can watch not only us, but also several other great and amazing YouTubers over there who have collaborated together to bring you a lot of extra holiday cheer. And from our family to yours, Merry Christmas.
And don't forget the cookies.
That's good.